Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue with our questions on profit and loss. Question number 84. The cost of 8 books and 5 pens is rupees 920 and the cost of 5 books and 8 pens is rupees 770. Then find the cost of 2 books and 3 pens. So in this question it's given the cost of 8 books plus 5 pens is equal to rupees 920. Let's say this is 1, and the cost of 5 books plus 8 pens is equal to rupees 770. Let's say this is 2. Now what we need to do, we will add 1 and 2 first. 1 plus 2. If we add 1 plus 2, we will get 13b plus 13p is equal to 1690. Now we can cancel this 13. 13 into 13 is 169. So this will be 130. So the value of b plus p is equal to 130. Now this we can say as 3. Now if we subtract 1 minus 2, subtracting what we will get, 1 minus 2, 8b minus 5p, 8b minus 5b will be 3b minus 3p is equal to 150. 3 we can cancel out. 3 into 5 is 15, 0. So b minus p is equal to 50. Now we have the value of b plus p and b minus p. b plus p is equal to 130 and b minus p is equal to 50. Now we can easily find the value of b and p. Therefore b is equal to how much? We will have to add to find the value of b. So p will cancel out and 130 plus 50 will be 180 divided by 2, because here we have 2b. So the value of b will be 90. Now in order to find the value of p, we need to subtract. So our p will be how much? 130 minus 50 will be, this will be 80. 80 divided by 2, because b will cancel out and we will have 2p. So 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. So this means the value of b, one book, is equal to rupees 90 and the value of p is equal to rupees 40. Now in this question we need to find the cost of 2 books and 3 pens. So one book is equal to 90. So 2 books is equal to how much? 90 into 2, 180. And we need to find the value of 3 pens. So 3 pens is equal to 40 into 3, which is 120. So the total cost will be how much? 180 plus 120, which is rupees 300. So this is our answer. Question number 85. Mr. Deka sells a chair at 12% loss and a table at 19% profit and earns a profit of rupees 160. But if he sells the chair at 12% profit and table at 16% loss, then he bears a loss of rupees 40. Find the price of the table. So in this question, chair is sold at 12% loss. Loss means negative or minus. So minus 12% of chair and a table at 19% profit. Profit means plus. So 19% on table. This gives a profit of rupees 160. Profit means plus. So this will be 160 profit. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now if he sells the chair at 12% profit and table at 16% loss, then he bears a loss of rupees 40. This means if he sells the chair at 12% profit profit means plus, and table at 16% loss. Loss means minus 16% of table. This gives him a loss of rupees 40. Loss means minus, so this is 40. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now in this question we need to find the price of the table. So in order to find the price of the table, we will try to eliminate this C. Now minus 12% of C and plus 12% of C. So we can simply add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. What we will get? Minus 12% of C and plus 12% of C. This will cancel out. So we will have plus 19% of table and minus 16% of table. This will give us 3% of table. And 160 plus 160 minus 40 will give us plus 120. So table will be how much? 120 divided by 3%. Now if we take it this side, this will be 3% will be 100 divided by 3. 3 into 1, 3 4s are 12, 0. So price of the table will be how much? 3 zeros, 4,000 rupees. And this is our answer. Now in this question, if the price of the chair is asked, what we will do? We have got the value of chair table, rupees 4,000. We will put it in equation number 1 or 2. So let's put it in equation number 1. We have minus 12% of C plus 19% of table. Table is how much? 4,000 rupees is equal to 160. This 20 will cancel out. So minus 12% of C is equal to 160. Now this 19 into 40 is 19 into 4 is 76. So this is 760. If we take it to the right hand side, this will be minus 760. So minus 12% of C is equal to minus 600. Now we can cancel this minus. So 12% of C. So C will be how much? C will be 600 divided by 12%. So this will be into 12% means 100 divided by 12. So 12 into 5 is 60. 10. So we will have the price of chair will be how much? 5 and 3 zeros. That is rupees 5,000. And this is our answer. Question number 86. Mr. Pegu sells a pen at 5% loss and a book at 15% profit and earns a profit of rupees 7. But if he sells the pen at 5% profit and the book at 10% profit, then he gets rupees 6 more. Find the price of book and pen. So in this question, Mr. Pegu sells pen at 5% loss. Loss means minus 5% loss on pen, and a book at 15% profit. Profit means plus 15% profit on book, and he earns a profit of rupees 7. Profit means plus, so this is 7 rupees profit. This is equation number 1. And in the second condition, it says he sells the pen at 5% profit. Profit means plus 5% profit on pen, and the book at 10% profit. So this is also profit, 10% profit on book. Then he gets rupees 6 more. Now earlier he was getting rupees 7 as profit. Now he is getting rupees 6 more. So 6 more means 7 plus 6, which is 13 rupees. This is our equation number 2. Now we need to find the price of book and pen. Now if you look at this equation 1 and 2, here we have minus 5% profit and here we have plus 5% profit. So if we add 1 and 2, this will cancel out and we can find the value of book. So adding 1 and 2, minus 5% of P and plus 5% of P will cancel out. This is 15% of B book and 10% of book. So this will be 15 plus 10, which is 25% of book, is equal to 7 plus 13 is 20. So B will be, the value of book will be how much? 20 divided by 25%. So if we take it this side, this will be 100 divided by 25. 25 into 4 is 100. So our B will be how much? 20 into 4, rupees 80. Now we have got the price of book, which is rupees 80. Now we need to find the price of pen. What we will do, we will put this value in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 5% of profit, 5% of pen, 5% of pen plus 10% of B, 10% of book, 10% of 80. So 10% of 80 will be how much? 8. 10% of 80. This 0 will cancel out. This is 8. So this is 8 is equal to 13. Now if we take this 8 on the right hand side, what we will get? 13 minus 8, which is 5. So our P will be how much? P will be 5 into 100 by 5. This 2 will cancel out. So the price of pen is rupees 100. This is our answer. Question number 87. Mr. Gogoi sells a chair and a table at 13% and 9% profit respectively and earns a profit of rupees 1060. But if he sells the chair at 16.2 by 3% profit and table at 11.1 by 9% loss, then he bears no loss, no profit. Find their cost price. Now in this question, in the first condition it says the chair and a table is sold at 13% and 9% profit. So 13% of chair plus 9% profit on table. This gives a profit of rupees 1060. And in the second condition it says if he sells the chair at 16.2 by 3% profit, 16.2 by 3% profit on chair, and table at 11.1 by 9% loss. Loss means minus. So this is 11.1 by 9% loss on table. He bears no loss or profit. So the loss or profit is 0. No profit, no loss. Now 16.2 by 3% in fraction, we know it's 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 of C can be written as C by 6. 1 is the numerator. And 11.1 by 9% in fraction, we know it's 1 by 9. So this will be 1 by 9 of T. So 1 we can ignore it. So this will be T by 9 is equal to 0. Now C by 6 is equal to, if we take this to the right hand side, this will be T by 9. Now this we can cancel out. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. So C by T is equal to 2 by 3. So the ratio of the price of chair and table is 2 by 3. Let's say the price of the chair is 2x and the price of the table is 3x. Now what we will do, we have got the value of chair and table, which is 2x and 3x. We will put this value in this equation. Putting the value of 1 in 2. Now 13% of chair is 2x. So 13% of chair into 2x plus 9% of table. Table is how much? 3x. This is how much? 1060. Now 13 into 2 is 26. 26% of x plus 9 into 3 is 27. 27% of x is equal to 1060. 26% plus 27% will be how much? 53%. So 53% of x is equal to 1060. So x will be how much? 1060 divided by 53%. This will be into 100 will go up 53. Now 53 into 1 is 53. 53 into 2 is 106. This will be 20. So the value of x is how much? 21230 zeros. X is rupees 2000. And in this question we need to find the CP, cost price of chair and table. Now the cost price of chair is how much? 2x. And the cost price of table is 3x. So cost price of chair will be how much? 2 into x. Our x is how much? 2000. So 2 into 2000 will give us rupees 4000. And 3x, cost price of table will be 3 into 2000, which is rupees 6000. So this is our answer. Question number 88. Rakuda sells a table at 15% profit and a chair at 12% loss, and he earns rupees 540 as profit. If he sells the table at 12% loss and chair at 15% profit, then he bears no profit or loss. Find the price of table and chair. So in this question, if the table is sold at 15% profit and chair at 12% loss, he earns rupees 540 as profit. So 15% profit on table. Profit means plus. And a chair at 12% loss. Loss means minus. 12% loss on chair. And he earns a profit of rupees 540. And if he sells the table at 12% loss, loss means minus 12% loss on table, and chair at 15% profit plus 15% profit on chair, then he bears no profit or loss. So no profit or loss means 0. Now 12% of T plus 15% of chair is equal to 0. Now if we take this to the right hand side, this negative will become positive. So 15% of C is equal to 12% of T. Now this percent will cancel out, and we can divide this by 3. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 5 is 15. So C by T is equal to 4 by 5. So the ratio of chair and table is 4:5. Now let's say the price of the table, the price of the chair is 4x and the price of the table is 5x. Now we have got the value of chair and table. So we will put this value in this equation. So 15% of table. 15% of table. Table is how much? 5x. Minus 12% of chair. Chair is 4x. Is equal to 540. Now 15% into 5x is equal to 15 into 5 is 75. 75% of x minus 12 into 4 is 48. 48% of x is equal to 540. Now 75 minus 48 will give us 27. So 27% of x is equal to 540. So the value of x will be how much? X is equal to 540 divided by 27%. So if we multiply, 100 will go up 27. 27 into 1, 27 into 2 is 54, 0. So the value of X will be rupees 2000. Now we need to find the price of table and chair. Table is how much? 5x. The value of X is 2000. So 5 into 2000 will be rupees 10,000. So the price of table is rupees 10,000 and the price of chair will be 4x. 4 into 2000 will be rupees 8,000. This is our answer. Question number 89. Mr. Deka sold a chair at 30% profit and a table at 45% profit. If he sold the chair at 45% profit and table at 30% profit, then he gains rupees 90 more. Find the price difference of chair and table. So in this question, Deka sold a chair at 30% profit. Profit means plus. So 30% profit on chair and table at 45% profit. This is also plus. 45% profit on table. And let's say he earns a profit of rupees X. We don't know the value of the first profit. So let's say this is X. Now in the second condition, he sells the chair at 45% profit. 45% profit on chair and 30% profit on table. Now in this second condition, what happens? He gains rupees 90 more. So 90 more will be, earlier he got a profit of X, now he gets 90 rupees more. So X plus 90 rupees. Now in order to find the difference, price difference of chair and table, what we will do, we will subtract this. Let's say if this is 1 and this is 2, and we will subtract 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 will give us how much? If we subtract this, this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be minus, and this will be minus. So we will get minus 15% of C plus 15% of T is equal to X, and X will cancel out, X minus X. This will be minus 90. Now we can we can make this negative into minus 90 into plus 90. We will change the signs. This will be minus and this will be plus. So 15% of C plus 15% of T is equal to 90. I will explain step by step. So I'm writing it everything. So 15% of C minus 15% of T is equal to 90. Now this 15 will cancel out. 15 into 1, 15 into 1, 15 into 6. So C minus T, here the denominator is 100. So this will go multiply with 6. 6 into 100. So the difference, price difference of C and T will be how much? C minus T is equal to 600 rupees. And this is our answer. Now this question can also be solved with a direct method. Now in order to use the direct method or the shortcut, the condition should be fulfilled. The condition should be the profit percent. Here the first profit percent is how much? 30% of chair plus 45% of table. Now this profit should be interchanged in the second condition. So in the second condition we have 45% of chair and 30% of table, and the profit earned in the second condition is rupees 90 more. So in such type of condition we can use a shortcut direct method. Let me explain it to you. In this direct method, what we will do, we will take the difference of profit. So here we see 30% of chair plus 45% of table, and here we have 45% of chair and 30% of table. So in both cases the difference will be same. 30 and 45 is 15, 45 and 30, difference is 15%. So the difference in profit percent is equal to how much? 15%. Now we can directly find the price difference of chair and table. The price difference of chair and table will be C minus T will be how much? We will take this 90. He gains rupees 90 more. So whatever he earns more, we will write it here and we will divide this 90 by this difference in profit percent. So our profit percent is 15%. So if we divide it, this will be into 100 will go up 15. So 15 into 1, 15 into 6. This will be C minus T will be 600 rupees. So we can directly find the value of C minus T. Question number 90. Mr. Deka sold a chair at 9% profit and a table at 13% profit. If he sold the chair at 13% profit and table at 9% profit, then he gains rupees 80 more. Find the price of the chair and table if he purchase both at rupees 20,000. So in this question we have chair is sold at 9% profit. 9% profit on chair and 13% profit on table. And let's say he earns a profit of rupees X. Now in the second condition it says if he sold the chair at 13% profit and the table at 9% profit, then he gains rupees 80 more. So 80 more means X plus 80. Now we can directly find the difference of C minus T, difference of chair and table. This will be how much? Because in this question we have 9% and 13% and this is interchanged in the second condition. So here we have 13% of C and 9% of T and he gets rupees 80 more. So we can directly find the value of C minus T, which we have learned in our previous question number 89. So we will find the difference of profit. Difference of profit is how much? 13 minus 9 is equal to 4%. Now C minus T, the difference of chair and table will be this 80 more. We will divide this by 4%. If we divide this by 4%, this will be 100 into 100 by 4. So 4 into 20, this will be 2000 rupees. So C minus T is rupees 2000. And in this question, C plus T is how much? If we purchase both at rupees 20,000. So cost price of chair and table is rupees 20,000. Now we can easily find the value of C and T. Therefore C will be how much? C will be, we will plus this and divide by 2. If we sum this, 22,000 divided by 2 is equal to 11,000. So the price of chair will be rupees 11,000 and the price of table will be, this is minus, so we will subtract this. 20,000 minus 2,000 is 18,000. 18,000 divided by 2 is equal to 9,000. So this is our answer. Question number 91. A man sold a book at 13% profit and a pen at 17% profit. If he had sold the book at 17% profit and pen at 13% profit, then he earns rupees 80 more. Find the price of the book and pen if he purchase both at rupees 25,000. So in this question we have the book is sold at 13% profit and pen is sold at 17% profit. And let's say he earns a profit of rupees X. Now in the second condition, this is first equation. In the second condition, he sells the book at 17% profit and the pen at 13% profit, and he earns rupees 80 more. 80 more means x plus 80. This is the second condition. So in such type of condition, we know that we will take the difference of this profit 17 and 13, which is 4%. Difference in profit is 4%. So we can directly find the value of, this is B minus P. The price difference of book and pen is equal to how much? B minus P will be whatever is more, the profit whatever is more, this is 80. We will divide this profit which is more, 80 by 4%, the difference in profit. So if we divide it by 4, 100 will go up. 4 into 20, this will be 2000. So the difference in the price of book and pen is B minus P is rupees 2000. And in the question, it's given that he purchased both at rupees 25,000. So price of book plus pen is rupees 25,000. Now we can easily find the value of book and pen. Therefore B, value of book will be how much? This is both is plus. So we will add this 2, which is 27,000. 25,000 plus 2,000 is 27,000, and we will divide it by 2. This will give us 13,500. This is the price of book. Now the price of pen, now here we have minus. So we will subtract this 2. 25,000 minus 2,000 is 23,000. And then we will divide it by 2. This will give us 11,500. So the price of pen is rupees 11,500, and this is our answer. Question number 92. A shopkeeper bought 2 cycles for rupees 1,600. If he sold the first cycle at 10% profit and second cycle at 20% profit, he earns a certain profit. But if he sold the first cycle at 20% profit and second at 10% profit, then he earns rupees 5 more. Find the price of both the cycles. So the shopkeeper bought 2 cycles for rupees 1,600. Now he sells the first cycle at 10% profit. 10% profit on cycle 1. And second cycle at 20% profit. This is also plus. 20% profit on cycle 2. And he earns a certain profit. Let's say the profit is X. Now this is our first condition. And in second condition, he sells the first cycle at 20% profit. 20% profit on first cycle and 10% profit on second cycle. And he earns rupees 5 more. So X was the earlier profit. Now his profit is 5 more, which is X plus 5. Now we can easily find the difference of C1, cycle 1 and cycle 2. The profit is how much more? 5 more. So we will take the 5 here and we will divide this by the difference in profit. The difference in profit will be how much? This is 10% and this is 20%. So 20% minus 10% is 10%. So we will divide this by 10%. So divided by 10 into 100. So C1 minus C2 will be how much? 50. So this is C1, cycle 1 minus cycle 2 is equal to rupees 50. And in the question it's given, the shopkeeper bought 2 cycles for rupees 1,600. So the price of cycle 1 plus cycle 2 is rupees 1,600. Now we can easily find the value of C1 and C2. C1 will be, we will add this 2 and divide by 2. So 1650 divided by 2 is equal to 825. And C2, the price of cycle 2 will be, this is minus. So we will subtract this 2 and divide by 2. This will be 1550 divided by 2, and this will give us 775. So the price of cycle 1 is rupees 825 and the price of cycle 2 is rupees 775, and this is our answer. Question number 93. Rakuda has 2 bats and 1 ball. The cost of ball is rupees 96. If he sells the ball along with the value of the first bat, the amount received will be twice the value of second bat. But if he sells the ball with the second bat, the amount received will be less than the value of the first bat by rupees 306. What is the value of the first bat? So in this question, if he sells the ball along with the value of the first bat, the amount received will be twice the value of second bat. So the price of ball is how much? Rupees 96. If he sells it with the first bat, let's say it's B1, he receives the amount which will be twice the value of the second bat. Twice of second bat means twice of B2. B2 means second bat. This is our first equation. Now in the second equation, second condition, it says if he sells the ball with the second bat, ball is 96, he sells with second bat B2, then what happens? The amount received will be less than the value of the first bat by rupees 306. So B1 is the value of the first bat, and this will be less than by rupees 306. So this is our equation number 2. Now we need to find the value of the first bat. So what we will do, we will add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. If we add, what will happen? We will get B1 plus B2 plus 96 plus 96 will give us 192 is equal to 2B2 plus B1 minus 306. Now B1 and B1 will cancel out. Now if we take this B2 on the left side, we will get minus B2. If we take 192 on the right hand side, we will get minus 192 plus 306 will give us 498. So minus B2 is equal to minus 498. This we can change the sign to positive. So B2 is equal to 498. Now in order to find the value of the first bat, we can put this value in the first equation. Our first equation is 96 plus B1 is equal to 2B2. Now the value of B2 is how much? 498. So 96 plus B1 is equal to 2 into 498 will give us how much? 996. So B1 is equal to 996 minus 96. This is rupees 900. So this is our answer. The value of the first bat is rupees 900.